Hello and good morning, dear viewers. Today we'll try to learn the one word substitutions. Okay, so for a collection of group of words, you have to substitute it with a one word. Okay, so try to learn one word substitution and try to understand them as a game so it will become far more easier. Okay, so let us begin. One word substitution. One who knows everything. What is the meaning of it, or what is the one word substitute for a person who knows everything? Omniscient is the person who knows everything. Next, one who is all powerful. Omnipotent. Potent pertains to power. Omni means completely. Okay, so one who is all powerful is omnipotent. One who is present everywhere. Yes, omnipresent. Present pertains to the presence, and omni means all. Present everywhere. Okay, one who sees the brighter side of the life. Who is he? Optimist. One who sees the darker side of life the is pessimist. A person who does not know to read or write. Who is he? Yes, he is a illiterate person. So illiterate is one who does not know to read or write. A child born after the death of his father or her father is a posthumous child. Okay, posthumous child is one who is born after the death of the father. A work, a literary work, or an artistic work published after the death is also a posthumous work. You might have also come across the posthumous award, an award conferred after the death of that particular person. Okay, a poem or a story or a song of whose author is unknown is anonymous. A government by the people, for the people, of the people is democracy. A government run by a single person is autocracy. A government run by the kings is monarchy. Yes, a government run by the rich people is plutocracy. A government of a few noble persons, aristocracy. Aristocracy is government of a few noble persons. Government of the officials is bureaucracy. An oligarchy is government of a few people of the same class. Oligarchy is a term used in economics as well. Okay, we are well known to this word. We have studied it in economics as well. Oligarchy. Next is a person who does not believe in God. Atheist. A person who believes in God is theist. What is fit to be eaten? is edible. That which cannot be eaten is inedible. That something which cannot be corrected is incorrigible. Something which cannot be corrected is incorrigible. And something which cannot be read is illegible. Something which cannot be won or conquered is invincible. Persons living at the same age or in the same era is contemporaries, and the person who cannot pay off his debts is insolvent. Causing the death of his own is suicide. Something which is no longer in use, obsolete. If something becomes obsolete, it means it is of no longer in use. Animals which shackle their young ones are mammals. A post for which no payment is given is honorary. A work for which payment is made but there is no work or a very little work attached to such office is known as sinecure. Sinecure is the office or the work in which there is no or a very little work and the payment is made. Next is a match which is won by neither of the parties is drawn. Okay? A speech which is given without previous preparation. Yes, what it is known as? It is extempore. Extempore is the speech which is given without any kind of previous preparation. Okay? Of one's own free will and consent is voluntary. Voluntary is something which is done by the own free will and consent. A decision or an order on which all of the persons are agreeing is unanimous. Unanimous is the decision in which everyone agrees to the thing. Okay? A place where all different kinds of animals are kept is known as a zoo. Zoo is a place where all different kinds of animals are kept. A person who suffers physical hardships in order to earn his living is a ascetic. Okay? Next is two or more things occurring at a same point of time is simultaneous. So simultaneous is two or more things occurring at a same time. A person who does all kinds of beneficial works for his fellow men and benefits them in all the manners is a philanthropist. Okay? The act of marrying only once with a husband or a wife is monogamy. If a person marries more than once in a lifetime, okay, so if such an act is done by a male, then it is polygamy. Okay, so polygamy is when a husband marries more than once in a lifetime, then it is polygamy. And in case if a female marries more than once, okay, at the same time, okay, so pre-existing marriage as well as the other existing marriage must exist in the same span of time. That is polyandry. So such an act done by a wife is polyandry. Clear? Next is the act of high officials to favor their near and dear ones, their own relatives. Such an act is nepotism. So nepotism is known as bhai bhatijawad in Hindi, and such an act is being done by high officials to favor their own fellow brethren. Clear? Next is something which is completely clear and free of confusion is unambiguous. Clear? Unambiguous is which is completely free of any sorts of confusion or doubts. The air surrounding the earth is atmosphere. Clear? So atmosphere is the air surrounding the earth. A remedy which never ever fails is infallible. Next is a diplomatic minister of highest order sent by one country to another is known as ambassador. So ambassador is the diplomatic minister of highest order sent by one country to another. Clear? If the officials of same capacity are working together, then such officials will be known as colleagues. Okay? Colleagues are the officials of same stature working together at the same place. If any unfair judgment is given by giving through sympathy to one side, then it is what it is known as partiality. So, to give an unfair judgment in favor of someone due to some sympathy shown to that particular party. Clear? Next is one who speaks or writes two languages. Bilingual. Bilingual is one who speaks or writes two languages. Fit or qualified to be chosen is eligible. Eligible is the person who is fit or qualified or worthy to be chosen. Okay? Next is a person who always thinks of himself. Egoable. Okay? So such a person always thinks of himself or of his own interests and nothing else. Next is to increase the speed or to hasten the process. Accelerate. Accelerate, which we have studied in our physics classes. Okay? Clear? So accelerate is to increase the speed or to hasten the process. Next, to give up the throne or office of high value, office of great value. So to give up such things is known as abdicate. Okay? Abdicate is to give up a throne or office of highly respected dignity. The science which deals with the history of words or the origin of the words, such a science is known as etymology. Clear? Next is the one which is free from catching fire. That is, the one which will not catch fire at all is fireproof. Clear? The one which kills germs is known as germicide. So germicide kills all the germs. Next is to wipe off evil or a disease completely is known as eradicate. So eradicate is to wipe off the evil completely or a disease completely. Next is a person who belongs to another country or a neighboring country or to an unknown place. Foreigner. So foreigner is a person who belongs to another country. Clear? Next is a person who always believes that whatever is happening due to a predestined destiny. So such a person is a fatalist. Clear? The remarks or observation made or a comment made which has no bearing upon the subject under consideration is irrelevant. Clear? Next is to cause another person to do a evil act is instigate. So whenever you instigate, you cause another person to do some wrong. Next is a cure for all the diseases. Panacea. Panacea is a cure to all the diseases. Clear? An examination conducted after the death of a person is post mortem. So post mortem is a examination which is conducted after the death of that particular person. Next is a person who is suffering from nervous disorder. So one word substitution for the same is neurotic. Neurotic is the person who is suffering from nervous disorder. A country which is situated very far away or which is very distant is remote. Okay, so such a country is a remote country. Next, repeating exact sentence or a phrase word to word is known as verbatim. So verbatim is exact reproduction of the phrase or the sentence used word to word. Verbatim is the one word substitution for the same. Clear? Next is vegetarian. So one word substitution for the sentence a person who eats only plant products and vegetables or fruits and abstains or desists from eating flesh of animals. Clear? Or meat eating abstination is known as a vegetarian. Clear? So something which occurs at the same point of time. The one word substitution for it is simultaneously. Okay, so simultaneous occurrence is a phenomenon in which two or more things occur at the same point of time. A person who does not spend so much, who desists from spending, is a miser person. A person who spends too much. The one word substitution for the same is spendthrift. Spendthrift is the person who spends too much, who has the habit of spending too much. It can be online spending or offline spending by visiting a particular restaurant or hotel or any other place for spending. Clear? So thank you, dear viewers, for listening. Keep studying and keep working hard. Have a great day ahead, and please do prepare for your exams as they are approaching very nearby. Clear?